Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for February 22. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, the PIOJ, is projecting moderate growth in the region of 1% for the January to March 2013 quarter. Acting Director General of the PIOJ, Everton McFarlane, says the economy is expected to record low growth, with most industries forecast to record positive performances.
This is predicated on our view of a general recovery from the subdued performance of January to March 2012.
He was speaking at the PIOJ's quarterly media briefing on Thursday to give an update on the country's economic performance over the October to December 2012 period. For the period, he said inflation stood at 2.6% with a 0.6% contraction in overall growth. Mr. McFarlane said finance and insurance, along with wholesale and retail trade or repair and installation of machinery, were the two sectors recording growth during the quarter. Most private sector holders of government debt have signaled their participation in the National Debt Exchange. The NDX offer, which was issued on February 12, expired on February 21.
We believe that it's important now that all sectors of society, the financial institutions, all the creditors, private sector, all of society, need to come together. And we need to play our part, but we also need to hold the government and ourselves accountable for doing our part in making this work.
The NDX forms part of necessary first steps the government has to take in order to secure a new standby agreement with the International Monetary Fund. The citizens of Port Maria in St. Mary will be getting a new state-of-the-art market to buy and sell their wares. The announcement was one of many made by Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller and her team of ministers Thursday. Mrs. Simpson Miller was addressing a town hall meeting at the St. Mary High School.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund has approved $30 million for the construction of a new market in Port Maria.
The new Port Maria market will feature a two-story design, where the ground floor will be used for the sale of regular ground provisions, fruits, vegetables, meats, etc. And the second floor will feature specialized retail shops.
Other concerns, such as emergency vehicles for hospitals and the police, were also addressed during the meeting. The Anata Bay Hospital is to receive an ambulance, while utility vehicles are being secured for the Highgate Police Station. Legislation aimed at strengthening the Restorative Justice program in Jamaica is expected to be piloted through the Houses of Parliament in the new fiscal year. Justice Minister Senator Mark Golding says this will better position the initiative as a tangible intervention to resolve differences between disputing parties instead of resorting to confrontations. In the meantime, he says several stakeholders are collaborating to expand the program island-wide.
The commitment that I've seen and the enthusiasm that we've seen indicates that Jamaica really wants RJ. Hopefully the impact of the program will be that the number of cases that come into the formal system for relatively small matters that can be appropriately sorted out through another justice mechanism will indeed no longer burden our justice system.
Minister Golding was speaking at a recent Restorative Justice workshop. And finally, a select number of projects that reflect the spirit of Jamaica have been chosen by the Jamaica 50 Legacy Committee to mark the independence milestone.
These projects represent the continuation of the mission of fulfilling the national vision as a part of the nation-building project, a secure, prosperous Jamaican society that is a place that we can all be proud to call home.
The majority of the projects target early childhood education, with some placing emphasis on heritage, infrastructure, culture, sports, academic endeavors, literature, and the arts. The flagship project is the redevelopment and preservation of the National Heroes Park through a public-private partnership. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.